Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your dropshipping business with Square. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Square account. If you don't have one, create a new account on their website. Navigate to the dashboard once you're signed in. Click on the Settings tab on the left-hand side. Locate the Payment Methods section. Ensure all preferred payment options are enabled for your dropshipping store. Next, go to the Items section in the dashboard. Here, you can add the products you're dropshipping. Click on the Add Item button. Fill in the necessary fields like item name, price, and description. Upload high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Set up inventory tracking if you're managing stock levels for your products. Now, head to the Online section of the dashboard. Select Website to begin setting up your online store. Choose a template that suits your brand and customize it. Make sure to include essential pages such as Home, About, and Contact. Add product pages and ensure clear navigation for your customers. After designing your website, preview it to check for any issues. Once satisfied, publish your website to go live. Return to your dashboard and click on Marketing. Utilize Square's marketing tools to create email campaigns. You can also set up promotions and discounts for your customers. Next, explore the Analytics section to track your sales performance. Monitor key metrics like conversion rates and average order value. Use this data to adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Integrate your online store with social media platforms for greater reach. Consider using Square's built-in features like loyalty programs to foster customer retention. Regularly update your inventory and adjust prices based on market trends. For effective customer communication, set up automated email responses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.